Hello friends, let's discuss static imports. If you want to access one class static content from another class, how we can access? It is possible to access through class name dot static properties as well as class name dot static methods. We can access like that. As well as we can also access through reference. Let's see the example here. So I'm taking the package as package 1 and the class name as example 1. So the example 1 has been created in package 1. Here I am taking main method and I am creating one more class called class A. So here I am defining static int I equal to some data and I am defining one static method as well. Static void m1 this out. So m1 static method. So which is from A class. How we can access A class static content from example class? It is possible to access through class name dot the static properties as well as class name dot the static method we can access. Class name dot it is possible to access static properties as well as static methods. For suppose if example 1 is having some static properties and static methods, directly it is possible to access the static properties which are available in example 1. The other class static properties and static methods we can access through class name or dot variable name. So now I am running this example, save and click on this run button. So it is possible to access the static A class static content from example 1 class. In this way, we can access up to JDK 1.4 version. The syntax will be like this. The syntax will be like this to access the static content of one class from another class. In JDK 1.5, by using static imports, we can access the same with different syntax. In JDK 1.5, we can access the one class static properties from another class using static imports. So here also I am taking package 1 and here I am taking example 1. We'll write the same kind of example class A and here static int I equal to some data, static void m1 sys out within double quotes m1 static method from A. Here I am taking main method. Here you can provide import static package one dot a dot. You can provide a specific method or variable, or if you want to access all, you can provide star. And here is out a dot I it is possible to access, and even though if you want to access directly, it is possible. And here directly you can call the m1 method. It is possible because of the static input. You could access the A class static content from example 1 directly by using the static imports. The A class properties you can access in example 1 directly without class name or reference. We'll run and see the output. So we will get the same.